Hey guys, I have made some videos about changing GPS location on my iPhone. And on those videos, I got lots comments from the viewers asking me to make a video about changing location on Find My iPhone app. So here I am with a dedicated video about how to change GPS location on Find My iPhone. Whether you want to fool your friends or family by showing a fake location on Find My Friends app or modify your location on Find My. This is the video you need to watch. I will show 2 ways to change your GPS location on Find My app. So without further ado, let's get started. First part, that is using iOS location changer app to change your location on Find My iPhone. In the first part, I will show you how you can use a computer application called iOS Location Changer to change your GPS location on iPhone. This is currently the best method to spoof location on iOS because it works with both older and new iOS versions like iOS 18 and later. To download this tool, you can download this from Easy Phone Recovery website. The links are in the description. It is available for Windows and Mac user. Install and run the app on your computer. You can change your location with a USB cable or Wi-Fi connection. And connect iPhone to your computer with USB first. After connecting with USB cable, disconnect the iPhone and connect it again using the Wi-Fi connection mode. With this Wi-Fi connection, it is easier for you to change the location in the Find My app without cables. And also make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi and have a good connection. This is a feature that I really like with this tool. Now let me show you how you can modify your current location with this tool with using a teleport mode of the app first. Choose teleport mode at the upper right corner. Now you can zoom in and out the map by scrolling the mouse and select a destination. Or you can enter the address or GPS coordinates at the upper left corner to search your destination. For example, I want to change my location to Florence, Italy. As you select a destination, the sidebar will pop up. It shows you the destination information including the place name, coordinates, and the distance. Click Move. Your location will be changed to Florence immediately. The all location-based applications on your iPhone will be changed to Florence as well. Now, let me check on Find My app. As you can see, my location on Find My app has been successfully changed to Florence using this software. Not only the current location, but you can also fake your live or real-time location on Find My iPhone app. Let me show you how to do that using multi-spot mode. Select different spots one by one on the map that you want to pass by. Or enter address or GPS coordinates to set the spots. You can select 4 or 5 different places on the map. After the times and speed are set up, click Move to start the journey. It is the good mode if you want to send your location to your friend and looks for real. After changing your live location with multi-spot mode, open the Find My app on your iPhone, and you can see that your location is updating in real time. This software also has many other modes. You can change your location with various modes by using toolbar function to change your location to anywhere without limits. In the second part, I will show you how you can use a free 3U-Tools computer app to change your location on iPhone. It is completely free, but the only disadvantage is that the fake location will stay on your iPhone for like 5 to 10 minutes only. Download 3U-Tools on their official website. Ensure your device is connected on 3U-Tools and select Toolbox and then select Virtual Location. This virtual location menu will not appear until you connect your iPhone to your computer. This time, enter or drag and drop the point to location what you want. After that, click Modify Virtual Location to change your location on your iPhone, including based apps. After changed, open the Find My app on your iPhone and you will see the location in your Find My app has changed using 3U-Tools. As I mentioned before, it is completely free, but the only disadvantage is that the fake location will stay on your iPhone for like 5 to 10 minutes only. And that's it. 2 easy ways to change your location on Find My iPhone. Which method do you prefer? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more iPhone tips and tricks.